This is Ivy Marasigan from BSIE 2203, and today we will have a tutorial about applying different tools in Autocad. So we will have 6 figures and we will try to do that. So let's go! So the first thing we have to do is to open our Autocad. So as you can see, at the right side, we have the figure that we are going to copy or that we are going to do. So the first thing we have to do is to have a circle. So I prefer to have a circle in this one. And then I want a measurement of 7. Then in its center, I wanted a line to the right. Then enter another line. You can use also polyline. So it's your choice if you use line or polyline. It's just the same, but polyline is like it will be solid. It's not just like a breaking one. So let's try polyline. This one, I prefer 22. Enter. Then 7. Enter. Then 22. Enter. So we have this one. Next one is another polyline. So measurement of this again is 7. Enter. Then it will be a triangle. Then we will connect it to the first line that we have done. So the figure will be this one. So it is not done yet. So we're going to have this is the midpoint of the line. So we're going to use that one. Then just click it. Then I prefer to have it 14. Then I wanted it to be here. So the measurement of this one is 18. The next one, we will have a short line upward, because as you can see in the figure, it is not both sides are not equal. So I prefer, so it's fine if it's here. Then we will have a line to the left side. We click, then connect it. Oh, as you can see, it is 15. Then don't forget to enter. Okay. So in here, we will just erase or trim the excess or not what do you mean by this? Not included in the figure. So this is not included. This one is not also included, and also this one. So our figure 1 is now finished. So check for excess. If you see any excess, you can check it again over and over again for a nice figure or for a clean one. So the next figure that we are going to do next is the hexagon with 3 sides inside. So the first thing that we have to do is to have an hexagon, of course. Hexagon has 6 sides, so we'll just enter 6, then click, then click again. So we will choose circumscribe, then we will just do this one, then we will just draw, then we will just click it, just move it downside. After moving it, it will be fine. Then we will have lines in here, in here, in here, in here. So it's just like a triangle. So we'll just enter it. But you can use polyline, but I prefer using a line. It depends on your decision. So we have that. Another triangle. Then this one. Connected to this one. Then enter. So it looks like a star. Then we will have this one. So it is not done yet. There is a missing part of it. So the missing part of it is this one. This one, and this one. So I'm using this one to know the center of the 3 circles. So this is the first circle, second, and third. So the next one is we will have a circle. So we will put it in the center. Then we will have it. So it is 5. But it touches the boundary. So what we're going to do is we will input 4.3. I'm pretty sure it's fine. Then we will copy. Then we will have it centered. Then we will place it here. Then we will just click. Then another thing here. Just click. Now we will have to enter. The next thing we have to do is to erase. So we can have Command PR, or we can have trim or whatsoever, but I prefer to erase this one so it will be clean. Or we can remove the excess or the lines that is not included in the figure. Just enter that one. Then, so as you can see, our second figure, there is no this is in the boundaries. So that is the second figure. So we have to jump to the third figure. So the next figure that we're going to do is my favorite. So we will have circles, lines. So first we will just use pan. This one. So cute. It's not moving. So we can have this one. So now let's use polyline. So we can have it here, then down. I prefer 20. Then this downside, enter. Then let's have a center of this one. Oh, its center is this one. Prefer to have a cross in my heart. So as you can see, it is 10 10 10 10. So these have the same measurement. Then we will have a circle. Then we will put a circle in here. Then the measure of the circle is 10. There are ridges of this. Then the next thing that we have to do is to have a small circle. So we'll put it in this this one, and then 0.5, enter. Then let's zoom in, then hatch. So we will use block. Then we will just click it here, click it here, click it here, and click it here. Then we will zoom out. Then we will have comb, then polyline again. So at the center, the measure of this one is 45 degrees. Then enter. Then next one is 135 degrees to the left side. 135. Any measurement, any length is valid, or it depends on you. It will be erased later, so it's fine, any measurement, but the angle must be appropriate. Enter. Then last one, this will be 135, then enter. Then the next thing that we have to do is to have a rectangle. We will be having a square again, and then second undo rectangle. It's fine. Then a diamond. So let's use line in this one. That's fine. Then the next thing that we have to do is to have a for the petals to like this one. It's like a structure in the middle. For the petals, for me it looks like a petal. It look like a flower. You will just enter, then line. As you can see, this one I put it here, this one I put it here. Then next one, it is the alternate position, or the opposite position of the figure, of the object or figure or the line. Then it's not yet finished, so we will just gonna trim. We will use a trimmer. We just click this one, this one, this one. So we will look at the figure if it is the same. So we will just move. Just click, trim. So as you can see, our figure 3 is now okay. Next, we will jump into the figure 4. So the fourth figure that we're going to do is a circle, which is in the offset with 4 circles in the corners when you have a grid. So this one again. So let's zoom. then we will select it. Then let's use command offset. Then we have it here. This one. Then let's choose one again. Make sure it is aligned. And it is the same. Then next one. Must be aligned again. Make it proportionate. The next thing that we have to do is to trim. We can command here, and then it's open. It's like an open circle. Then we will trim the excess. As you can see in the figure, I prefer to trim everything. This one. So the opening of this one is here. It's like this one. It's opening. Then this one. Then this one. Then this one. To make it complete, we're going to trim this one. And this one. And this one. Because I just deleted something that is important again. So in this case, it can't be true. So we have to control Z. Control A. So again, we have to so it is already finished. That's the fourth figure. So the next figure that we are going to do is the square with small rectangles or square, just like this one on the right side. So for me, my strategy is just like this. So we will have it, this one, I use polyline, then 10, so we have 8 you see, I have trimmed all the lines that coincides with each other. So in this part, I don't know if it's a error or forget to trim, so I will just copy that one. I will not trim that one. I will just let it be. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Then we will delete it. Trim it over and over again. So, ta-da! It's fine now. So, we'll go to the next one, or last one. So, our last figure is also like a flower. So, let's add it again. Then let's have a polyline. So let's have this one polyline. So we will have 11 next. 11. 10 points. Negates because so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. This is my strategy. Some others use 4 circles, then there will be a line with those circles. So for me, my strategy is like this. I've made lines, then use arcs. For me, it is easier because we've done this before when we are taking drawing angle. the next thing that we need to do is to have a polyline or a line. It's your choice. Then we'll have this one measures 50. So it must be, again, I'm sorry if it's not the same. I mean by that, the same sizes, because in our activity for our PDF, I use layout. So there I only use grids because it's easier for me to maximize the spaces. So we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one. Next thing that we have to do is to move all of this. Then Because I don't have any mouse. Because it's not working. Again. So this really so we can move it. We can move it. might be. Exercise 2E. So I hope you learned something, some techniques, and I'm sorry for using the model Autocad, this one. But for using this one, I just want to let you see or let you gives the ideas or for measurements. So that's why I use that. But in our activity, I use this one because when I tried using model